this is Natalie from NellieDesign.com. Today I want to show you the difference between the group function and the attach function of the Cricut Design Space. Although before we start, I want to invite you to download my free cheat sheet that will help you see the difference between each function of the Cricut Design Space. You'll find the link in the description of this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
First of all, let's talk about the group function. Group will allow you to link objects together so it's easier for you to modify them. To use group, you need to select all the objects using the Shift key and then press Group. You will now see your objects laid out under a new layer called Group in the Layer panel. When your objects are grouped, you will be able to move them, scale them, or copy them together. You'll also be able to change the color of the entire group with one click. When pressing Make It, you'll notice that Cricut Design Space software always automatically moves the objects on your Cricut mat, no matter how they are laid out on your Canva, in order to use the least amount of material as possible, and even if your objects are grouped. So if you want your objects to cut exactly as they are designed on your Canva, you'll need to use the Attach tool. Using the previous example, let's use Attach instead of Group. Select the object using Shift key and then press Attach. Looking at your Canva, you don't really see a difference except that they are under the word Attach in the Layer panel instead of Group. But when you hit Make It, the objects are staying at the exact position as you designed them in your Canva. Now what happens if you attach two objects of two different colors? Well, Cricut Design Space associates a color with a material. Therefore, using two different colors means you want to cut each shape into a different material. If the two objects are grouped, they will each appear on their own mat when you hit Make It. But if you attach two objects of two different colors together, it's like telling Design Space that you want to cut these two objects on the same sheet of paper. Therefore, the object that is on top will take the color of the object that is behind. Now, the attach function is often used to attach score lines to the proper object. Score lines will help you fold papers. In this example, the rectangle could be a card we want to fold. You can see the line is set to score instead of cut in the layer panel. A score line by itself is not really useful. You'll need to attach it to the proper object in order for Cricut Design Space to know which object it needs to score.
That's all. Thanks for being there. Check out the other videos on Attach, Weld, and Flatten of the Cricut Design Space. And if you want to be notified when I publish a new post, just hit the bell once you subscribe to my channel. See you soon!